Right, so we've been having some pretty good rain the last couple days and nights. In fact, this morning I saw my first round of thunder and lightning, but unfortunately I was unable to retrieve my camera in time to get that on video. So use your imaginations. I'm sure you all heard it too. It was pretty loud. So now we're just getting some thick and juicy rain. At least we'll have a clean truck now.